Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to change your Gmail password on your Android device. First thing first, go to your device's settings. Scroll down, then tap Google. Now tap Manage your Google account or just tap Google account in newer updates. Swipe to the Security and Privacy tab at the top, and under Signing into Google, you can find the Password section. Now all you have to do is click it, and you can now confirm your identity if you're using your fingerprint identification. Enter your new password, make sure it's strong, use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Then rewrite it again and tap Change Password. And that's it. Your Gmail password is updated, and you'll need to use the new password on all devices where your Google account is signed in. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.